And that's how you move from this to this.
Over the last 12 months, our team has generated extra 5 million revenue for our customers using landing page optimization. Today, I'm sharing with you the whole AI creative process so you can do the same and avoid the most common traps. Let's go. The very first step is you need to understand what's in your customer head, so your landing page will mention real pain and real benefits that they mention and care about. To do that, you'll download your reviews and ask AI to extract the most common pain, triggers, alternative they used, reason why they love your product. You'll also ask for the most common personas and extract words and expression your user actually use.
So in our example, we're gonna take the black stuff and make a landing page for them. So I'm here now inside of Claude Code. I'm launching my skill review analysis that I'm sharing in the description below to extract actual value from those reviews. What people love about the product, what type of people they are, which word they use, etc, etc. And then you get a file like this. So you can see we have a first section with general statistics, then a section that focuses on all the elements that emphasize on the thinking stage of the customer journey. So why do they want to buy the product? What were their goals? And here we see the most common goals. Then, and that's my favorite part, is the pain they had before with other product. So this one's gonna be extremely useful for any landing page or piece of copy. Then we were seeing that shower gel was leaving their skin dry and stripped. This is a strong pain that we should address directly inside of the landing page, maybe on the hero section. These are insanely useful, so we know who we are talking to.
Okay, now we know how your customers are speaking and what's in their head, why they love your product and why they don't like alternatives. It's time to build the copywriting of the page and the structure. We'll ask AI to adapt an existing landing page structure to your customer pain and benefits using the customer research we've made before. And right now we want to output only text and focus on the structure of the page and copywriting, so your brain can focus on that and not be fooled by a beautiful design. Once we nail this, everything else will be much simpler. It will also help us to iterate faster on the copy, so let's go. In order to find a great landing page structure, I recommend you to use TrendTrack that allows you to find any e-commerce brand and the list of all the landing page they are using. I recommend you to copy a landing page from the same exact industry or an industry with the same level of awareness and the same level of need of education on the product. For example, if you are selling rocket launchers, don't take a landing page that sells soap, since rocket launchers are a much more technical product that needs much more education. You see what I mean?
In my case, I already had a landing page structure in mind, which is this one from Bonjour, which is a European coffee brand. And then what did I do? I took the link to the Bonjour landing page and told Claude, extract the structure of this page section by section in a Markdown file, and then create a page structure for the black stuff based on the info we've extracted. Then what do I get? I get something like this. I can review the copy of the landing page, etc., etc., validate it. Then from that, what I like to do is to generate a simple wireframe, so it's much faster. And then I ask more and more things. So for example, my first version was not good enough, it was way too long, so I asked to remove some sections. And during this phase, you want to spend most of your focus on, okay, the global structure, number one, number two, your hero section, everything that is above the fold, because this is what will make your landing page successful or not. So the buy box is the second most important section. Here I have one that I'm okay with. I could work more on this, to be honest, but it's okay for a first version.
All right, now we have a structure we are happy about. Now it's time to turn it into an actual design that we can be proud of and reflect our brand. What we want to avoid here is to produce a landing page that looks like AI slop, and it's easier than you think. I'm using the skill extract design system. It will extract the fonts, the colors, the logo, and assets. Same as before, the skill I use for this will be in the description so you can make use of it.
This extract design system, what it will do, it will navigate on the website of the black stuff and extract the font, the colors, the rules, design rules and how your brand is talking, and then create a folder like this. This is the second most important step after the extraction and analysis of reviews. From this design skill, then you can create an infinite amount of assets. Here we're gonna use it to style this wireframe and get ready because it's gonna change completely how this landing page looks. And that's how you move from this to this. Now I have everything I need. I have my bundle builder the way I wanted. I have proper friction that are addressed inside of the page using proper images, what's in, what's in not. Everything you see it is based on what customers say about what scares them before they buy the product and what they love about the product. So you are sure everything you mention actually matters for your customer in a branded manner that doesn't look AI. From that, the next step for you would be to either host it on your Shopify or NextCommerce or whatever you're using, and turn your add to cart into something that redirects directly to your Shopify checkout. But this will be a topic for a next video.
That's it for today. I hope you've learned a lot here. Now, if you want to learn more about CRO and landing page and AI, please drop me a follow because I'm gonna share much more value in the following weeks. And you don't wanna miss it. And if you want to talk to me to see if we can help you grow your brand, there's a link in the description to my calendar. That was Kevin. Thanks for watching and see you next time.